Hey Patrick people, welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW, and today I'm in the 2019 BMW 330, and I'd like to show you a quick little tip on how to access your owner's manual, and this will work in any menu that you're in. So all you have to do is on your center console, you can see this option button. So all you have to do is push that option button, and it's going to give you a couple options here. You have help, edit page, and screen off. Now depending on what menu you're in, these options will change. However, if you hit the help menu option, that will take you directly to the owner's manual. So now you have access to keyword search, picture search. User help is really helpful because it will show you animations of every major function equipped on your vehicle. You also have your quick reference, topics, and quick links. So quick reference will show you, opening and closing, seats, displays, driving, climate control, infotainment, refueling, and providing assistance. So this is just a really helpful item to utilize if you ever have questions about your vehicle. Of course, you can give us a call or stop in. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Another helpful item is your picture search, and you can actually scroll down and view different items you'd like to see. If you want to know anything more about the interior, say you have a question on your center console, just go ahead and click on center console and it'll show you what every button does. It's pretty helpful if you ever have like a quick question or just need further assistance with anything. All right, Patrick people, thank you so much for joining me. Again, I'm Stephanie with Patrick BMW, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.